Hey guys, this is Brandon at the Edge Pro, and I just want to give you guys another tip on this blade that we changed a little bit of what we're doing to be able to get a little bit better product out of what we're doing here. So right now I have, this is the Oster blocking or I guess this one is specifically the TDQ blades, but this would also translate to, we're talking the wall blocking, super blocking, blendings, the Andis super blocking and blendings. This would also go for like the T wides, T84, T10 wides, T84s, any of those blades that get wider. I do something a little bit different in my sharpening. I've had really great success with it, and I just want to share it with you guys. One of the things we run into with these blades, I've got a few of the pieces missing, so I'm holding it together here. But one of the things we run into is that our tension is sitting right here over the middle of the blade, but our blade is still cutting way out here, and our tension drops off pretty majorly when we get out here to this outside area. So what I do, I do a little bit of different steps when I'm sharpening them so that we can help compensate for that lack of tension out there on the edge, so we're still getting a crisp cut all the way out to the edges. And so I just want to go over here to the sharpening machine. We're going to get it fired up, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what I do. Alright, so we got the machine fired up, and so what I'm going to do on this clipper is right before we come up off of the plate when we're sharpening this blade, I'm going to actually increase my pressure a little bit. So our pressure is usually in that 1.5 to 1.75 pounds. Right before I pick up, I'm going to increase my pressure to 2 pounds, right around 2 pounds. Reason for that is it's going to end up creating a little bit deeper hollow in the blade, which is going to get it more set at the tips. And because of the shape of this blade, I'm not going to lose the middle teeth in that set, and I'm going to have a little bit stronger set out on those outside teeth to be able to, for them to be able to cut a little bit more crisp. So I'll show you what that looks like here when we're doing that. I'm going to do a couple passes at normal pressure. We're just trying to lap in a new surface at this point. And then when I come out to the outside, increase my pressure and lift. Without damaging the tips, still making sure that we have good fundamentals. And what that's going to do is push that hollow ground way up on the tips of the teeth, so they're making really good contact, and that's going to help us make up for a little bit of that tension that we're losing out here beyond the tension spring. So that's been something that's been helpful for me. I hope it's something that'll be helpful for you and giving you more success in your clipper blades, especially when we get some of these weird clipper blades that we don't see every day. If this has been helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, sign up for notifications so that you can see these videos first when they come out, and hopefully get another tool in your sharpening belt. Thank you for your time listening, and we'll see you next time.